North Mills Recreation Campground has been an excellent area for us to get some work done, relax, and enjoy the peace and tranquility of nature. Except for the small red bird that grew a fixation with the destruction of our travel trailer. It's Saturday, we've been working all week trying to figure out where we want to live.
Right.
So we've made it a good part of our day to go and research the areas very thoroughly.
Yeah.
And see a ton of houses, look at schools and towns and what the towns look like and everything like that.
Right.
So that we can make an educated decision when the time comes to figure out where we want to live. So we're heading on this hike, just kind of take the whole day off of thinking about places, houses, just to...
Writing, editing.
Right, just to relax.
Right.
And I think that will be very beneficial to us. The lake we went to in Waynesville is beautiful. And it is spelled Juneleska.
Don't hurt yourself there.
I wanted to pronounce it Wanaleska because that's... And from our area,
Tampa.
that's what it would be. But it's no. We talked to a local.
Junealeska.
Talked to a local yesterday, and it's Junealeska. So now
We're
I
going
guess
around that whole lake saying Wanaleska.
Wanaleska. That's all. It's Wanaleska.
Day.
So I guess if you want to try and pronounce something, just make it into a country accent, and that's probably close.
Junealeska. Was that a country accent?
Don't hurt yourself there.
Oh.
But 32 at the parking lot.
Something like that.
And not windy, but up here it is quite windy.
It's very windy.
Like blown off the side of the mountain, kind of windy. We're at the top.
Yes.
I don't know if you can hear us because it's ridiculously windy.
But it's gorgeous.
It is amazing. It is windy. It is chilly.
Very chilly.
You could almost say it is cold.
Oh, it's freezing.
It's very, very cold. But it is a view.
We're having some tuna fish sandwiches with pickles. We also have Flamin' Hot Cheetos if we're feeling it. So, oh, and we also have oranges and apples and you want to get the carrots and stuff out, or do you want to? You want to do that in the car?
At the Linville Falls.
Yes. After the Rough Ridge Trail.
Yep.
We found it on the Blue Ridge Parkway, so we had to stop.
Yeah, we're just going to have to take the parkway all the way back down to Asheville.
Yep.
We hiked a little bit further to Irwin's View of the falls, and I think we'll be happy that we did.
Oh yeah.
Oh, really?
Oh
yeah.
That's cool. Hollywood!
Heading down from the Blue Ridge, Natalie got more experience driving in the mountains, this time without Callie the camper.
Going on a date tonight.
Whoa, whoa.
Woo! Burgers.
You've been hankering for these burgers
Well,
for a whole week.
they have like, it's called Farm Burger, right?
Mm-hmm.
Farm Burger downtown Asheville. I just
No, it's
like
a really good burger.
like really smooth, and they have a lot of really good gluten-free options there. So anyone who has celiacs or gluten intolerance, that place Farm Burger has amazing hamburgers.
You ready for the farm burger?
So ready and so hungry.
Yeah, I know.
We waited in line for 30 minutes, but they did give us fries, which was really nice. So
They give us fries in line, to be clear.
in line, yes.
How's the first fry? Of our basket of fries.
Delicious. This is not nice. Oh yeah.
Before I was like this, now I am like this. For the last couple days we've had a small red bird incessantly attacking our RV, and so finally today in the morning I couldn't take it anymore. And you can hear it inside. You can hear him just pecking away at it.
We thought it was the propane tanks like expanding because of the cold. No, it's this little stupid red bird that is incessantly tapping away. So we're hoping that that will
make some kind of barrier for him so that he doesn't want to stand here anymore.
So we're here, Sierra Nevada Brewery in North Mills, North Carolina. It is very packed because it is St. Patrick's Day, which we neglected to remember.
Yes. I got the stout. It's an Irish stout on nitro.
How was it?
It's delicious, very smooth. It's like an amazing flavor. They're really fresh.
So I think this is one of my favorite things we've done all week.
Yeah.
It's just really relaxing,
Good
beautiful.
environment.
Yeah, good environment. It's beautiful outside. Nice breeze. Nice view. It's just nice. It's a beautiful day. So enjoying it. Today we're going to be doing the Blue Ridge. We're going to be cleaning Callie and the truck, and just hanging around the North Mills campground for one last night.
I've been meaning to seriously clean the roof of our camper for a while now, and after a couple hours of hard scrubbing as well as washing the outside, the whole trailer really popped. Today was moving day, which means a good breakfast and a lot of things needed to be checked off our list before we put the truck in drive and hit the road.
It is the morning that we are leaving, and this little guy will not leave us alone at all. He's been pecking away at our grill. He's angry.
So Natalie, I've not been to the Alum Caves, and I'm sure you have not either. But this is definitely one of the busiest hikes I've ever seen. We walked probably, what, quarter mile from our camper? It's just ridiculous.
There's people lining this.
Lining the streets all the way down.
Died.
This is true.
Seriously, like that's not even a joke. A giant chunk of ice fell like literally a foot to my left coming down in the danger zone. It had not fallen at all, and then all of a sudden, boom. That was really loud.
Let's just speak fast.
All right.
Who's next?
It was a beautiful hike, really crowded for the most part.
Yeah, there are tons and tons of people.
A lot of people.
And you can see why, because it's amazing.
We met a really nice couple from Michigan.
Yep.
Hiked with them for a little bit.
Yep.
Really, really gorgeous. It was definitely worth all of the
Danger.
It was definitely worth the risk.
Arriving back at the camper, we took a quick lunch and started to make our way down the newfound Gap Road into Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It was a beautiful day, as well as spring break season, which meant the small city was packed with people. We escaped the hordes and continued on to our camp for the next couple nights. We just landed at Swan State Forest. It's about an hour outside of Knoxville, but the advantage of this campsite is that it's free. And, I don't know if you can tell, but we are on the top of a mountain, kind of. It's like a large hill. But we have a great view, and that is killer.
We just got done eating a gluten-free cinnamon bun from the Benefit Your Life Bakery. It's an all gluten-free, dedicated gluten-free bakery here in Knoxville, Tennessee. A little bit pricey, but that's what you're gonna find with gluten-free bakeries normally, but it is amazing. The cinnamon roll bun was really delicious and very buttery. What did you think?
I thought it was good. While at the bakery, we plotted our day and headed downtown to the Imes Nature Center. The center is filled with animals, exhibits, walking and biking trails. We were interested in the Riverwalk that runs alongside the Tennessee River.
actually really nervous. We're on the Alpine roller coaster.
Yep.
Our track is literally lighting up right now. That's so fun. Do you see it? We are literally like going straight up right now. Oh! Gosh, are you slowing us down?
Yeah, I did a little bit.
This is really fast.
How many G's can you take? Cool. Go for it. See that?
No!
That was super fun.
Wasn't that? He kept on slowing down because the corners.
I didn't
We thought we were gonna like fly off. We thought our weight would fly off the track.
We were pushing scales there.
We were not. We got a really good deal on Groupon, so usually what is it, like $7?
$30.
So at $30, we got it for $20. So saved a
Go to
few
Groupon.
bucks. Go to Groupon. We just left the Swan campground that is free, and it is north of Knoxville, Tennessee. We stayed there for 2 days. If you are in the Knoxville area and you are looking for a free campground, it's a great place. We're dry camping only, but it does have a really wonderful view of some rolling hills. So we just left there this morning. Today it is my nephew's first birthday, so we are heading over to see them in the Nashville, Tennessee area.